Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to pause all notifications on Instagram in this video. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Scroll down, go to Notifications. Here under Push Notification, toggle on the option for Pause Notification. Now select for how long you want to pause the notification for. And now all your Instagram notifications will be temporarily paused. And that is how to pause all notifications on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.